A lovely hello to all my champion kids. How are you? I hope you all are smiling, shining, sparkling, and most importantly, you all are studying well and you all are preparing for your board examination with complete determination, complete dedication, my dear champion kids. So, before starting today's live session of complete maths, first let me know I'm completely audible to you, everyone. My voice is reaching to you clearly and I'm completely visible to you all. So please let me know if I'm audible to you or not. Am I clearly visible to you or not? Just let me know. Give me thumbs up so that I can be aware that I am clearly visible and audible to you, everyone, and my voice is completely reaching to you. Okay, so just give me thumbs up so that I can proceed further. I can move ahead to this very important session in which we'll be covering complete maths. So this session will be just bang for you, everyone. This session will be game changer for you, everyone. I'm assuring you, you just need to stay connected in this live session till the end so that we can complete your maths. You complete maths in this session. So welcome everyone in Operation 95 on Deeksha Vedantu, your favorite channel. Yeah, your favorite channel on Deeksha Vedantu. So give me thumbs up as am I completely audible to you or not, my dear champions? My lovely children, I'm waiting for your response. Superb. So this session will be going to game changer for you, lovely kids. And in this session, I'll be covering every chapter. Yeah, complete mathematics of yours, complete book. So superb. I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting so that I can move further. I can move ahead without wasting a second. Just give me thumbs up, my dear. Yeah, music of Raj. Hello, music of Raj. Superb. I'm waiting for others' response. Let's join others, your competitors, so that I can see the competition among you all. Okay, so guys, as you know, very serious thing, you don't have so much of time as your board examination is around the corner. You don't have so much of time. So you have to be very focused, determined towards your board exam, towards your pre-board exam also, because pre-board examination is also on the way and you have to perform well in your, because we also expecting from our student that you guys will perform good in your exam. You can score good marks in your exam. So we all are superb. So okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so moving to very first, yeah, as I've already told you, I'm going to cover complete maths of class 10th here in this live session. So let's move to the next first question of your first chapter from your ncert textbook, which is very important question. See guys, I want to tell you everyone that in this session, in this live session, we are going to cover complete maths, complete from real numbers to probability. So kindly stay connected with the live session, and it would be very nice of you if you guys would also sit with your copy and pen so that you can solve the question simultaneously with me. Yes, so you should also sit with your copy and pen so that you can solve the questions I'm showing you on the screen, and I'll be also solving the question for you, everyone. So let's join fast. Superb. So very first question for you. The question is, prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. So see, before starting this question, before solving the question, I want to tell you one thing. See, you guys, many of you might be thinking that we'll start studying when 1 month and a half month will be left before board examination. So guys, don't do it, because the stage we have also been at this stage you are at it present. So this is my experience. On the behalf of my experience, I'm telling you everyone, see, these things, these kind of mentality will, give you no result. So you have to be very, focused. You have to start right away. Don't plan, don't execute your planning for tomorrow. Don't leave any planning tomorrow. You have to start right now. Then only you can get good result in your exam. Don't think, yeah, I'll start studying after, 2 months, 3 months and all. You have to start right away, and this, dedication will give you the result. Keep your mindset very positive. Don't think I'm going to start my study for board examination when 1 month or half month will be left. So such negative thinking will not give you the result. Along with you, we the teachers here, Deeksha Vedantu, we are also putting effort. We are tirelessly working for you, and that is why, because we can make your foundation stronger. You have so much of time, guys. You have still 2 and 3 months. You can bring revolution. You can make a big change in your result. But you have to start right now, right? This is my humble request to everyone. So let's begin with the first question. The question is, prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Just go through the PYQ, previous year question of so many years. You will find this question so many times it has been asked by the CBSE. So this is very important question. That is the reason why I picked up this question for you, everyone. So how we can solve this question? So generally, this question is solved by using contradiction method. I hope you must be knowing contradiction method. Contradiction method. You know contradiction. What does it mean by contradiction? You know, proving some error, proving some mistake. Such situation is called contradiction. So basically, how we can solve this question? To prove root 5 is an irrational number, first we have to let root 5 as a rational number. And we have to show the contradiction over there. Whatever the statement we are taking there, we are letting root 5 as a rational number. So let root 5 is a rational number. Okay? Let root 5 is a rational number. And you all know a rational number can be shown in the form of P by Q. Rational number can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. This is the general format of rational number. So if we are supposing root 5 is a rational number, so we can write here root 5 as P by Q. Yes, we are assuming that root 5 is a rational number. If root 5 is a rational number, so root 5 can be written as P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. But make sure these P by Q both are here. P and Q are co-prime numbers. Yes, you have to mention this point here, co-prime numbers. P by Q is co-prime number. You know co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are those numbers whose common factor is only 1. Means their common factor will be only 1. No other common factor will be there for both. So we have to mention this bracket is very important. The answer sheet examiner will search out this statement, whether this statement is written by the student or not. So this statement is very important, right? So root 5 is P by Q. Now can we write this format as P equals to what? Root 5Q cross multiplication? Yeah, of course. If root 5 equals to P by Q, we can modify as P equals to root 5Q. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What will be there? P square and root 5 square. Squaring, root will be removed. 5Q square. Now my dear students, if 5 is here this side, in multiplication with Q, it implies that if 5 is here with Q, it implies that if I'll bring this 5 this side, means 5 will be dividing P, right? If I'll bring, assume, just imagine I'm bringing this 5 this side. It implies that we are dividing P by 5. P square by 5 means P is dividing by 5. So this statement is saying that P is dividing by 5. So here P square is dividing by 5, hence what? P is also dividing by 5. Yes, if P square is dividing by 5, means P is also dividing by 5. But what we have assumed earlier, P and Q are co-prime numbers, means the common factor will be only 1. So why 5 is coming here? I think we are going towards the contradiction, right? Let's move. Now do one thing. If we have found, we got this, P is also dividing 5. P is also dividing by 5, means it can be written as, so it can be written as y. Look, 5p c equals to 5c equals to p. I am taking one more unknown format, unknown term. If p is dividing by 5, so can I write this format 5c? I am taking a new term c here, and this c is in product form with 5 because 5 is dividing p. That is why I am taking 5c equals to p. This family, this format proves that 5 is dividing by p is dividing by 5. I am calling this equation number 2 and this equation number 1. Now if I put equation number 2 in first, putting equation number 2 in first, what we will get? If I put equation 2 in first, so p square will equals to 5. Can we replace here this here at the, so just write this first complete. Now put this 5, this p is equals to 5c. So can we replace this p as 5c? So on putting p as 5c square will be equals to 5q square. Now I'm doing here this side. So 5c square will be 25c square. 25c square equals to what? 5q square. Is it clear? Now 5 will cancel this. So 5c square equals to q square. Now look at the format. Wow. Now look at the format, my dear children. 5c square equals to q square. Now this 5 is in product form with c square. What it implies? If 5 is in product form with c, we can bring this 5 this side. Yeah, if this 5 is in product form, is in multiplication form with c, so it implies that we can bring 5 towards the q, and the 5 will be dividing q, right? Q square. So if q square is dividing by 5, we can say q is also dividing by 5. So look, q square is dividing by 5. So q is also dividing by 5. But what we have supposed, what we have assumed earlier, p and q are co-prime numbers, means they are having common factors only as 1. But what we have proved, we proved that p is dividing by 5, p is dividing by 5, and q is also dividing by 5. How it is possible if they are co-prime numbers and we are getting that p and q are having one more common factor in the form of 5? So this is a contradiction. This is contradicting the situation we assumed, because there should not be any common factor other than 1. We are letting p and q are co-prime numbers. But what we have proved here, p is also dividing by 5 and q is also dividing by 5. So there is one more common factor in the form of 5. So this is contradicting the situation. Why this contradiction occurred? Why this contradiction happened? Because we have assumed that root 5 is a rational number. So we have to go towards irrational number. It proves that root 5 never be rational number. It is an irrational number. So hence it contradict the situation of co-prime concept. It contradicts the situation of co-prime concept. So root 5 is an irrational number. I hope, my dear children, you got the concept. My dear lovely kids, you got the concept. Just give me comment section, give me your feedback. You got the concept. Just give me thumbs up. You understood how such question we can solve, and most probably you will get this question in your pre-board examination in whatever the form will be there, but the question will be relatable to this concept. And this is my challenge to you all. Just keep my words in your mind. This is very important question. Just take a screenshot. Very important question. I can put here 2 stars. Very important question. Every year board asks, every year. So you have to be prepared for such questions. So you got the concept, you have understood. Hello, RJ Jalak, how are you, Jalak? Welcome on Deeksha Vedantu. Welcome to Operation 95 session. Thank you. So guys, give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your response, my lovely children. You all are very important for me. You guys are very important for me. Yes. Just give me thumbs up. You understood the solution. You have got the concept how we can solve such questions. Very good. I'm waiting for your response, guys. Just give me thumbs up. Come on, come on. Your thumbs up, your interaction encourages me to do something wonder. So I'm waiting for your response, guys. Come, please. So can I move to the next question? Should I move forward to the next question? My lovely children, pyare nyare bachche. Wow, Sneha Jaiswal. How are you, Sneha? Mehreen. Superb, guys. So is this solution clear to you, my dear children? Okay, moving to the next question, chapter number 2, polynomial. So I have told you in this live session we are covering complete mathematics, and I picked up very important, most important question from each and every particular chapter. So just stay connected in this live session till probability. This is my humble request to you guys. If you really want to score good marks in your pre-board exam as well as in your board exam, so this session will be game changer for you. Okay, moving to the next question here. Question number 2 from polynomial. And these questions already been asked in previous year CBSE board exam. So I picked up very important question for you guys. Okay, very good, Sneha. Yes, sir. Hi, hello, Mehreen. Superb, guys. Great to see your involvement. Superb. Okay, so the next question is, if alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial px equals to 5x square minus 6x plus 1, then we have to find the value of this whole function. One information is given to you. Alpha and beta both are the zeros of this equation. And you all can see this equation is quadratic form. ओमराज सर कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ पूरी मैथ वन शॉट आज ही कंप्लीट हो जाएगी क्या? Yes, maybe Omraj, this session will be a bit lengthy, but I am assuring you this session will be very fruitful and very productive for you guys. This session will be game changer for you. Yes, stay connected with this live session. XYZ Gaming from Nepal. Great to see you, XYZ Gaming. Welcome to Deeksha Vedantu platform. So do you remember me, Chintu? Chintu, your name is Umair. Yeah, I know you. You guys are doing great job because frequently you guys are coming in live session, and this is very, positive indication for you guys. It proves that you guys are trying to keep yourself in the race of 10 lakh student. Every year 10 lakh student appears in board examination, but few of them score good marks. Sneha 7/5. Okay, let's wait, Sneha, just wait a little bit so that you can check your answer if you're right or wrong here. So let's solve this question. So my dear student, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, and this is quadratic polynomial, so this alpha plus beta, this is the sum of root format. Guys, yeah, this is sum of root format, alpha plus beta, and we know this is equals to minus b by a. And minus b is what? Minus b is the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x? This is already in negative form. So what we have to write here? Minus 6. And a is what? Coefficient of x square, and that is 5. So can we write minus plus 6/5, right? And we need one more thing, alpha into beta. And this is product of root, right? So alpha beta is c by a, right? And c is what? Pure constant term. You all know the general format of quadratic equation. You all know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. You all know. And a is what? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the pure constant, right? Okay, so c is what? 1 here, and a is what? Again 5 here, right? But the question is asking to find the value of this whole family. So to find the value of this whole family, we have to add both. So alpha plus beta plus alpha beta will be 6 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Can we take 5 as LCM here? So this will be 6 plus 1, 7 by 5 is the answer. Who answered 7 by 5? Who answered? Oh, sure. Sorry, okay, Chintu, you are Tanuj. I missed. Sorry, my dear lovely kid. Okay, 7 upon 5. Rishabh answered great. Absolutely correct. Sneha, congratulations, you answered correct. Yeah, answer is 7 by 5. Very good, guys. So just give me thumbs up, my dear student. You all are enjoying this live session. And there are still 12 chapters are remaining here. And I have already told you I have picked up most important questions here. So you might get these kind of question in your upcoming exam in any form, but you will get RJ Jhalak 7 by 5. Yeah, RJ Jhalak, congratulations, guys. 7 by 5 is correct answer. So can I move ahead? Give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your thumbs up here. As you have, I've already told you, your thumbs up, your interaction gives me energy and encourages me, right? Yes, yeah. Sneha has given me thumbs up. Super, Sneha. Your involvement, your interaction, your words also increases teachers as well. Yeah, you guys are very important. Superb. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you have already shared this live session with your friends also, so that they can also avail advantage, they can take advantage of this live session. So kindly share with your friends so that your competitors can also join, and then the atmosphere will be fun-filled and alluring. I have to check who would perform well. So just go and share with your friends. Superb. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow is Parth, your pre-board is tomorrow. All the very best, Parth. My blessings are always with you. Go and bang, and hope you will do well in your math. So should I move ahead to the next question? Next question. Wow. Going to next question, chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variable. Look at the question. Parth, stay connected in this live session. Yeah, this is my humble request to you guys. Parth, you will get complete concept of maths, and you'll be able to tackle the question in your exam tomorrow, because I'm going to give you complete clarity of each and every chapter here. So stay connected. I hope you guys have been seated with copy and pen with you. Yes, give me the answer. What will be the answer? This is my MCQ type, so that you can give me answer in option. You have to solve. You have to do on paper, right, with your pen. Superb, super Parth. So what will be the answer? Okay, look at the question. Find the value of k for which the following system of linear equations, not equation, equations, means there are two linear equations. First linear equation is this, right? And here is x plus, and this second linear equation is this, right? We have to find the value of k, but one situation is given to you, one information is provided to you. The information you have given is both linear equation has how many infinite solution? Infinite solution. And when this situation comes up, when a by a2, b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. I hope you have gone through the live session of pair of linear equation in two variable. If you guys, if few of you not watched that video yet, just go after completion of this session, just go and watch that video. In that video I have given the complete clarity of pair of linear equations in two variable. That will give you complete full confidence in that chapter. So when this situation comes up, when this condition fulfill, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. So look, what is a1? This is the first equation. The coefficient of x is 1 here, so I can put 1. By a2, the coefficient of second equation, x, k plus 1, right? b1 is what? The coefficient of y, very good, of first equation, k plus 1, right? And b2 is what? Coefficient of y in second equation, that is 9. I hope you got the point. And what is c? C here is 5. But you all know the general form of linear equation in two variable is this. C always remain at the left side and the right side must be 0. So if I consider this 5, if I bring this 5 this side, the 5 will be in negative form, right? And C2 is k 8k minus 1. If I bring this whole family this side, this whole family will go in negative form. So I'm putting negative sign. Yeah, this will be cancelled, right? So now solve this. So I can equate these two format, like, so we have to cross multiply. So 9 into 1 will be 9, right? And k plus 1, this is k plus 1, and this is also k plus 1, right? And this is 9. So what will be the multiplication? K plus 1 will be k plus 1 whole square, and this is 9, right? So can I open this? K square, a square plus b square, a square plus b square, and this will be 1 here, 1 plus what? 2k equals to 9. Can I shift this 9 this side? So k square plus 2k, and if I shift this 9 this side, it will go in negative form, and 1 minus 8 will be minus 8, and there is a quadratic equation in the form of k. Now can you solve this quadratic equation? Yeah, the difference is only here is k at the place of x, this is k. Don't worry, we can solve this. So k square plus this is 2k, so 2k can be written as 4 minus 2, k minus 8 equals to 0. So k square plus 4k minus 2k minus 8 will be 0. Can we take k as common here? So k plus 4 will be there. On taking minus 2, the bracket will be k plus 4 equals to 0. So we are getting here two brackets. One is having k minus 2, so on putting this equals to 0, we are getting k as 2, and on putting this equals to 0, k will be minus 4. Now we have to check in these two values which will be valid. Which will be valid, we have to check. We cannot, we cannot take any value, this is the answer blindly. No, there is concept, this is mathematics. So everything is related with concept. You cannot apply your own theory. You cannot create your own theory, you have to prove. So we have to check in these two values which are correct one. Okay, so now put these two value, we can check taking these two last two conditions. So k plus 1 divided by 9 equals to 5 divided by 8 k minus 1. So I'm putting this k as 2 first. So 2 plus 1, this will be 3 by 9. So 3 by 9 will be 1 by 3. Okay, I'm putting k as here 2. Now I'm putting this here, this will be 5 divided by 8 into 2 minus 1. So what will be the result? 5 divided by 16 minus 1. So this will be 5 by 15. Yeah, we are getting same number. Means 2 is satisfying both. 2 is satisfying both. So it is indicating that 2 might be correct. But we cannot say directly. We have to put minus 4 as well. Sir, ye aap. Okay. So now we have to put minus 4 here. So k plus 1 by 9 equals to 8k by. Now check, put k equals to minus 4. Now check either this value, whether this value is fulfilling the condition or not. So if I put minus 4 plus 1 by 9, so this will be minus 3 by 9, and we are getting minus 1 by 3, right? Now put minus 4 here in this family. So 5 by 8 into minus 4 minus 1. So this will be 5 divided by 8 for 32 minus 32 minus 1. So we are getting here 5 by 33 in negative form. No, here we are getting minus 1 by 3, and here we are getting minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 33, which is not fulfilling the condition. So we have to say yes, these two, this format, this is correct. K is the correct answer for this question. I hope you have understood it. Sir, class कितने बजे से start होती है? Sakshi, welcome. First, I want to welcome you here on the platform of Deeksha Vedantu. So my dear lovely kids, earlier we were doing live session at 5 p.m. But for your comfortability, for your betterment, actually we have decided to come on live session at 7 p.m. So most probably we'll be doing live session at 7 p.m. Okay, sir, class कितने बजे start होती है? Sakshi, yeah, I've already told you around 6-7, yeah, 6-7 both timings. But you should keep, checking the notification. You should, okay, so Mary, RG Jalak, hey, yeah, hi. I don't know your name, but you are writing hey, yeah, so I'm also replying hello. Rishabh. So I hope you got the point. Very important question. See, my concern to do this live session is basically to give you the clarity of each and every chapter. So in this session we are doing complete chapter, and I have picked up very important question. On the basis of this question you might get any question that will be a bit relatable to the concept of this. Each and every question will be based on this concept. So that is my concern. Okay, so let's move to the chapter number 4, and which is quadratic equation. Come on guys, yeah, my dear champ, you all can do this question. Just go and give me answer. Solve it. I'm waiting for your response, everyone. Sir, jaisa ki I couldn't get your point, what exactly you want to say. Okay, so Dinesh sir, ये आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हो? My champ, very funny. Okay, Rishabh 1/3. So just do this question, I'm waiting. So just give me thumbs up so that I can yeah, give me thumbs up so that I can get you all are enjoying this live session. Give me thumbs up. Yeah, my lovely children. I don't know your name, Jessica. Just go and solve this question first. And I hope you guys are sitting with your pen and copy with you, right? You all are board aspirants, so you have to be very serious for your board exam. Don't compromise. Don't waste your time. This is very crucial and this is very golden period for you, my dear champions. Understand it. Time will never return back. Please. And that is the reason why we have launched Operation 95 for you all. So stay connected with this channel, Deeksha Vedantu. We all the faculty members of different subjects, their respective subject, they all are putting their complete effort for you all. Okay, so let's do this question. So the question is, in a 2-digit number, the digit at the unit place is 5 less than the digit at the tens place. The product of the digits is 36. So superb. Marin has given me thumbs up. Very good, Marin. Superb. So just let me know. Just tell me, do you know the general form of 2-digit number? What is the general form of, first just tell me from which number the 2-digit number starts. You all know after 9, 10 comes. From 10 to 99. 2-digit numbers are starts from 10 till 99, and after 99 100 comes up, and 100 is the first 3-digit number. Jatin, hi Jatin, welcome. Jatin, welcome. Superb. So every 2-digit number, just please focus here. You'll not get the concept in such a way. I'm giving you all, everyone, just focus, please. You must be very focused here. Okay. So every 10-digit number is lie in this format, 10x plus y. Please keep this concept in your mind. Please keep this concept in mind. Every 10-digit number lie in this format, 10x plus y. And why I'm taking here 10? Because the first 2-digit number is 10, right? So Honey Walks, welcome Honey. Muhammad Hassan, hi sir, hello. Okay, so every 10-digit lie in this format. So look, 10x plus y. Take x and y as per your wish, any number. So if I take x as 9 and y as 3 and put these two here, so 10 into 9 plus 3, what will be the result? The result will be 93. And here this is called ones position and this is called tens position. I hope you all know this. So in this question, look at the format, look at the question here. What the question is saying, look. What question is saying, there are 2-digit number, I don't know, because we have to find that number. So what we have to do, first you have to write this line, let the 2-digit number, let the 2-digit number be 10x plus y. Okay, suppose that 2-digit number is 10x plus y. So I have already told you the number, this is ones position and this is tens position. Now look at the language. What question is saying? The unit place is 5 less than. the digit at the tens place. So if we have already supposed the 10-digit number is in this format, so this will be ones digit and the x will be tens position. Now the question is saying, according to question ATQ, according to question, look, one unit place is means ones place is, this is also called unit or ones you can say. So once unit place is 5 less than, means y is 5 less than the digit at the tens place. So what is the digit at tens place? X. So this is x minus 5, and this is the first equation. I hope you got the point. Now look, the product of the digits is 36. So the product of x into y will be 36. I hope you got the point. So we have two equations in the relationship between x and y. So is it really challenging for you? This is very easy. Now put equation number 1 in 2. So on putting equation 1 in 2. So now y equals to x minus 5. We can put here, we can replace y as x minus 5 equals to 36. Now solve this. So this will be x square minus 5x. Can we bring this 36 this side? So this will be, oh wow, there is a format of quadratic equation. Now can you solve this quadratic equation? This is very easy for you. Yeah. So the factor of 36 into 1, 36, we are getting 36, and the factor of 36 is 9 and 4. Why I have directly taken 9 and 4? Because the difference in 9 and 4 is 5 and the middle value is 5. That is why these two numbers came in my mind, because I can see here the middle value is 5 and the difference of 9, 4 is 5 here. So can we write here x square minus, at the place of 9 we can write 9 minus 4x minus 36 equals to 0. Now solve this. Okay, so x square minus 9x, and opening the bracket, minus will be positive, minus 36 equals to 0. So can we take x as common here? So this will be x minus y. Now automatically 4 will be there, x minus 9 equals to 0. So we have x minus y 9 and x plus 4 as bracket. So on putting this equals to 0, we are getting x as 9 and here x will be minus 4. So minus 4 we can ignore because we want to find the number. So we will take x as 9 here. Now put x equals to 9 in any equation here to find the value of y. So y will be what? This is x minus 5 and x is, we have already calculated, 9 minus 5. So y will be what? This is x equals to 9 minus 5, this will be 4. Is this our answer? X equals to 4 and x equals to 9 and y equals to 4? Are these numbers your answer? No, the answer is find the number, and we are talking about 2-digit number. So we have to put these two values here in this format. So the number will be, hence, so the required number I can write. So the number will be 10x plus y, right? So 10 into x is what? 9. Wow. And y is what? 4. So we are getting 94 is our answer. I hope you got the point. So Sakshi, your values are correct. X equals to 9 and y equals to 4. But we have to find, see, I found student makes such mistakes. Student become very curious. Yeah, I got the value of x and y, but x and y is not your answer, because here in this question, the question is asking 2-digit number. So you have to find the result. You have to go till the end. You have to find that 2-digit number the question is asking to you. Right? Honey walks. Superb, honey. Superb. Yeah, answer is correct. But earlier you gave 36 and 41. Why? Yeah, superb, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and the concept is clear to you, right? So please take the screenshot so that you can go through again the solution, how such question should be taken. Okay. Can I move forward? Sakshi. Yeah, Sakshi, 94 is correct answer. Should I move forward to the next question, next chapter? Okay. Give me thumbs up. First, give me thumbs up. Yeah. Give me thumbs up, my dear lovely students, my champions. Okay, so now moving to chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. By mistake, don't worry, it happens, honey. I don't know your correct name, honey. Yeah, I'm calling you honey because you've just written here honey walks. Okay, so Sakshi, Mohammad Hassan, hi sir, superb. Give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for others' response. Few students are joining, few students are interacting with me. Guys, just give me thumbs up. Everyone should interact because you are very important for me. And that is why we are dedicatedly working for you. We all are expecting, we all are also dreaming to make you topper, and we are looking forward to see you as a topper. And you all deserve. You can bring revolution in your result, in your life. You can make a big change in your performance. Still you are not too late. Just start from now. Don't plan. Planning everything and executing some other day is not the identification of a good student. The good student plan and execute on the same moment, at the same moment, same day. So don't plan, execute. Wow. Aryan, study use. Hello Aryan, how are you, champ? Superb. Yeah, superb. So chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, solve it. 99.8%. Superb. Dream should be high. Yeah, you all should dream high. Yeah, very good, and congratulations, all the very best. My blessings are always with you, my champ, my lovely children, and you all can bang. Yeah, so moving to the question number chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Look how conceptually you can proceed the solution. Look, I'm giving you tips and tricks here. Focus. Look, the question is, honey works Hema. Hi Hema, thank you so much for letting me know your correct name, Hema. Okay, the sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic progression. See, sometime I found most of the time student go in very quick way to proceed the solution. See, your calmness, your patience will give you the result and will give you the confidence in examination hall. Don't be panic. If this question came in front of you, what you need to do? Just read the question first carefully with complete calmness, right? Big dream and aim high. Super Aryan. TNR, hi sir. Hi TNR, hi. Hello, my champion. I hope you all are sparkling, shining, smiling. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, so what you have to do? First, read the question, each and every statement carefully. Don't go till the end. Just read the question first statement. Look at the first statement. The sum of first 6 terms of an arithmetic progression is 42. So this information is basically S6, and which is equals to 42. Write this. Yes. The question is saying sum of first 6 terms. So the number of terms, how many numbers of terms you are adding, we put that number with a capital S, and capital S represents sum. And how many numbers are being adding there, we have to put these number here. So S6 is 42, right? Now, the second statement, the ratio of its 10th term to its 30th term is 1/3. Superb. The ratio of 10th term. You know 10th term? How we can write the 10th term? 10th term will be a plus 90. Whenever any number of terms is there, please take d 1 less. If the number of terms is 10th, you have to take 90. If the position of term is 11, you have to take 10d. If the position of term is 100, you have to take 90. Please keep it in mind, right? Okay, and this is 30th term. So how many d will be there? The d will be there. This will be a plus, I think you got the concept, 29d. Now what the question is saying, the ratio of its 10th term, A10 by A30, and which will be basically A10 is what? A plus 90. Wow. And A30 can be written as what? A plus 2090. If we are talking about 30th position, we have to take 2090. If we are talking about 10th term, we have to take 9SD. Simple. right? And this is equals to what? This ratio is equals to 1 by 3. And we have to find out here, calculate the first term, means we have to find here A and the 30th term, 13th term, right? So to find the, yeah, superb Aryan, Sarvesh, A 1326, A plus 2090. Wow, great. And whoever is interacting and doing the question on copy pen, you guys are doing great job, because you should solve the question simultaneously with me, guys. Then only you can improve your maths. Okay, now there are two information we have to use this. Okay, so let's come to S6 first. So S6 means what? 6 by 2, n by 2, 2a plus, we don't know a, n minus 1, n is 6, so n minus 1 will be 5 into d, right? So 2 will cancel this, 3 will be there, and S6 is already given 42. So this is 3 into 2a plus 5d. Can we shift this 3 this side? So 14 will be there. If we divide 42 by 3, so number will be 14. 2a plus 5d. We got first equation in the relationship between a and d. Now come to this information. A plus 9d divided by a plus 29d is equals to 1 by 3. Can we cross multiply both the equations? So this will be 3a plus 27d, which will be equal to a plus 29d. I hope you got the point. Now, yeah, answer. Sarvesh answered 13, a 13, 26. Honey is a is d. Answer is 26. Very good. Just wait a little while and just check if you are right or wrong. So can we shift this a this side? So on shifting a this side, 3a minus 2a will be 2a. And we can shift this 27d, here is 29d. So if this 27d will go that side, 29d minus 27d will be 2d. Wow. So a is equals to d. Second information we got here. So if this is first, second, so we can take here third, and this is fourth. So a is basically equals to d. So can we put this? So I'm doing here. So 14 2a plus 5d, and d is equals to a. So 2a plus 5a will be 14. So 5a plus 2a, 7a is equals to 14. So a is equals to d. And if a is equals to d, a equals to d, so d will be also 2. A equals to 2, so d will be 2, because both are equal to each other. Now look, the question is asking for you to find out a first term. So a is 2 here, pehla answer, first answer, and 13th term, a 13th. So look, this is 13th term. So which formula will be used? We are talking about 13th term. So the formula will be a plus 12d, right? And a is what? 2 plus 12 into d is what? D is also 2, yeah. So 2 plus 12 to 24, and this is 26. So wow. So A13 is, so who answered correct? Rajak, answer is 26. So you answered 13th term. Jhalak, you are, okay. Sarvesh also answered 26. Oh, very good guys. Keep doing rock, you all are doing great job. So okay, superb. Yeah, Rohit, yeah, the answer is 26. 13th term is 26 and the first term is 2. I hope you have got the concept, you have understood how we can proceed such type of questions, right? Can I move ahead? Should I move forward to the next question, next chapter? Give me thumbs up. My dear lovely children, give me thumbs up. I'm waiting, yaar, jaldi. My nyare pyare bache, my lovely student, give me thumbs up. Should I move forward to the next chapter, chapter number 20, chapter number 6? Muhammad Hassan, yeah. Hassan, thank you. I'm waiting for others' response. Okay, so moving to the next chapter number 6, triangle. Look at this question. This question troubles a lot the student. I don't know why the student seems worried after seeing this question. I don't know why this question feels scary to the student. But I'm going to make this question very easy for you. Very easy and very tricky. Look at the question first. Okay, so this question is already been asked in board exam. This is previous year question basically. Very logical. This question is just by picture, by diagram, it is looking as very danger. But if I tell you very honest, this question is very easy. Yeah, but a bit tricky. Yes is saying, sir, मैं आपके साथ हूँ. Yeah, thank you. Yes, I don't know why, but yeah, you should. Sir, please talk in Hindi. Guys, sorry guys, this is, fully English based channel, so I cannot use Hindi. But see, in mathematics, I think language is not a barrier. Whatever I'm doing here, you can also go through the, written method, what I'm writing, how I'm explaining the concept, you can get the point. So I think language is not barrier in mathematics, and you guys are topper. Okay, so let's say Thales theorem. Yeah, Aryan, you said well. Yeah, this is based on basically Thales theorem, and this is called BPT also. Aryan, yeah, BPT will be used. Superb. Mohammad Hassan is saying BPT. Wow, great. Yes. Where are the other students? I'm waiting for others. Come on, my dear lovely Chem, Sakshi, Marine, Aryan, Mohammad Hassan. Okay, so let's do this question in very tricky manner. So, what we have to do, look, the question is that PA, first look at the information, what informations are given to you. The information always plays important role in the question. So first read the question carefully. I've already told you, don't be panic. Don't, go very quick in the solution. Yeah, I need to do. Don't be very panic. Stay calm, read the question, statement wise, point wise. Okay, now do the question. The question is PA, QB and RC are perpendicular. Means PA, QB and RC, all three sides are perpendicular. So they are at 90 degree. You all know perpendicular means 90 degree. So they all are straight lines. Right? Now come. So X is here. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. So if I ask you where X is, in which triangle X is present, and the triangle should be right angle, because there is a big role of perpendicular. So give me right angle triangle. So if I talk about X is in the triangle PAC. Look at the triangle PAC, right? So we have to move in that triangle, because in what we have to prove, X is there, and that is the reason why I'm taking this triangle. So let me use another color, white color will be more visible to everyone. So in triangle I'm taking PAB. I hope white color is visible, completely visible to you. Just give me thumbs up, and right, yes, white color is visible to you, white marker color, because your comfortability. Yes, of course, these are main questions. Of course, yes. Stay connected in this live session till the end. We will cover each and every chapter till probability. We are covering here all the maths, every chapter of yours. Okay, thank you, Hassan, for confirming me. Okay, so in triangle PAC, look, this is the PAC, and triangle QBC. Why I am taking QBC? Because Y is there. Look at Y. This is Y, QBC, and Y is this, QB. And that is the reason why I am taking QBC. So, take these two triangles. Now, thank you. Okay. Now, if I've taken these two triangles, PAC and QBC, you all can see 90 degree are in both. 90 degree here, 90 degree here. These both are equal to 90 degree. So, two angles are already equal to each other. And one more angle, this angle. Let me use red color here, or blue color. This angle is present in both the triangle, bigger one and a smaller one. This angle is present in bigger triangle as well as in smaller triangle. So two angles are equal to each other, and if two angles are equal to each other in any two triangle, the triangle will be similar to each other by double A similarity. So by, I'm directly written, you can mention, by double A similarity, triangle PAC is similar to triangle QBC. Why double A similarity? I have already told you these two angles. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and these two triangles is common in both the triangles. Abhinay. Yeah, hi Abhinay. Hello and welcome to Deeksha Vedantu. Welcome to Operation 95. So if these two triangles are similar to each other, so can we take the ratio? So this QB, I am taking QB divided by PA. If I am taking QB here, I am taking PA. And this BC, if I am taking BC, so we have to take AC. BC, look, this is BC and this is AC. The corresponding ratios should be there, right? So BC divided by AC. Now QB is what? QB is Y. So Y by, and PA is what? X is equals to what? BC by AC. Keep it as it is. The right side will be as it is, and call this equation number 1. Yeah, okay. Now, so we have already modified, we have already taken these two triangles and we got this format. Now come to Z. In which triangle Z is present? So the triangle will be RCA. Hope you can see the triangle RCA. And if you are taking this triangle RCA, so you have to take this triangle also, QBA. So now come to the second point. In triangle, which triangle, my lovely kids? RCA. And triangle what? QBA. Again, these two triangles will be similar to each other. Why? 190 degrees here. Let me use blue color pen. So 90 degrees here and 90 degrees here. So one angle is already equal, and this angle is present in both the triangle. So by double A similarity. Okay, so by double A similarity. Okay, Honey is asking, Sir, can you again say how it came? I got angle C is okay. So just wait a little while. I'll go through again explanation for you. Just wait a little while. Let us solve this first till the end. Let the solution should be complete here. Okay. Now, so RCA and QBA. So by double A similarity. Whoever could not understand why double A similarity, see here. We are taking, let me use red color pen. See, guys, listen. We are taking here this triangle first, and 90 degrees here. Is it clear? And we are taking this triangle and 90 degrees here. So two angles are equal, and this angle, look at this angle, my kids. This angle is common in both the triangles. This angle is present here and this angle is present here. I hope you got the concept. I hope you have understood. This angle is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So one angle is equal and this angle is common. This is present in this triangle and bigger triangle also. That is why I am taking double A similarity. I hope you understood. So Hassan, I hope you have understood it. Why I am taking double A similarity? Because two angles, and same thing was happened in this also, right? I hope you got the point. So by double A similarity, again these two triangles are similar to each other, right? By double A similarity, triangle RCA is similar to triangle what? QBA, right? So can we write the ratio? So I'm taking this Y divided by QB. This is QB. QB divided by, if I'm taking QB, so I have to take here. Look, this is QB, so we have to take CA. Are you getting? Here is QB, and QBA. So I am taking QB perpendicular. So we have to take RC. Wow, RC, right? And now take here. This is AB. I'm taking AB, so we have to take AC, right? AC. I hope you got the point. And QB is what? QB is Y, right? And RC is what? RC is Z. And this is AB divided by AC. I'm calling this equation number 2, right? Yeah, and we can also call that triple A. If two angles have become equal to each other, so third angle will absolutely will be equal to each other. So we can call double similarity, or we can call triple A. Both are same. If two angles are already become equal to each other, so definitely the third angle will also be equal to each other, right? So look, this is first equation, this is second equation. Can we add both? Adding equation number 1 and equation number 2. So right side will be adding with right side. So y by x plus y by z equals to this, BC by AC plus AB by AC, right? So can we take y as common? So 1 by x plus 1 by z. So now add this. So AC will be LCM. So this will be BC plus AB. Can anyone give me the concept? BC plus AB will be BC plus AB. BC plus AB. This is BC and this is AB, and this will be whole AC. Wow. So, and this is y into 1 by x plus 1 by z equals to, it has become AC, and this is also AC. So there will be 1. So can we shift this y? Y is in multiplication form. On bringing this y here this side, this will be go in division form. So 1 by x plus 1 by z equals to 1 by y. Hence proved. What we had to prove? We had to prove, yes, 1 by x plus. I hope you have understood it. Give me thumbs up. Have you enjoyed this question? Very easy. So to solve this question, till which time the class is? So my dear lovely kid, this class will be till the completion, till the probability chapter, because this session is of complete mathematics, right? So we are at chapter number 6. Still we have to do 8 chapters more. So let's move. You have enjoyed the solution? Can you explain this question again? So Hassan, let me explain you in short. Sir, एक क्वेश्चन मैथ में जरूर फंस जाता है. Yeah, Raj, so stay positive. Don't think like this. But if math में I'm here to give you the resolution for this. Okay, so basically what I have applied here, this question is completely based on similarity criteria. So we have taken first this triangle, a smaller one, this triangle, a smaller one, and we have applied the similarity condition. Let's move to the next question. Chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Look at the question, very tricky question. Let me put here 2 stars. This is 2 star question, 3 star. Okay. Stay connected with this live session, please, guys. And I hope you have already got the formula sheet, because in previous video yesterday we have uploaded complete formula sheet PDF format for you, and I dedicatedly worked on that. I have created that formula sheet for you, so you can get that formula sheet by clicking the description link on that video. Go on our channel and you can hit the link of download, and you can get the formula sheet free of course for you. And that formula sheet is very systematically arranged, very cluttered, and you can also go in WhatsApp channel. You can also get that formula sheet over there. For that, to get the formula sheet free of course, first you have to follow the WhatsApp channel of Deeksha Vedantu. So I hope that formula sheet will be game changer for you, because I did very hard work for that. Yeah, and I've created that for you. Many of you were numerously sent numerous messages and sent me messages, sir, we want formula sheet, and that is the reason why I've created that. So go and follow the WhatsApp channel of Deeksha Vedantu, and you can get the formula sheet over there. Okay, I have proved in half an hour. So funny, yeah, so funny. You guys are, how sweet of you. I proved. Okay, so look at the question. So let me tell you one thing, and I have already told you so many times. Read the question first, calmly. So what is the statement? Look, the question is, in what ratio is the line segment joining the 2 points? 2 points are there. So first point is 3 minus 5, and the second point is, let's say, minus 1. See, this is first point and this is second point, and there is a line joining these 2 points, right? Very good. Jhalak is answered 8:5. Okay, Jhalak, just wait little while and check answer if you write in this question section formula. Yeah, of course section formula will be applied, Hassan. So you all are very smart, but you guys need a bit, guidance, and that is the reason why we are here. You guys are doing great job. I'm really impressed from your interaction. You guys are frequently giving me the response and answer. So this is very positive indication that you guys are in race and you all are on right track. But you need a bit push. You need to you need to push yourself a bit, and you will be topper. You all can do wonder. This is my complete assurance. Okay, let's do this question. So there are 2 points, and divided by the line, there is a line here, and this line is basically y equals to x. Means here the point of intersection is, this is basically y equals to x. I can put here y comma x, and the beautiful thing is, if I'm letting this coordinate as y comma x, they both are equal to each other. And this is very interesting. So you can also write, you can replace this y as x. So I'm putting this. Yeah, the coordinate will be y comma x, and the question has provided you the information that they are equal to each other. So if they are equal to each other, means we can write x comma x, or we can also write y comma y. Yeah, we are free to write in this form, right? So let's say we have to find out the ratio. Let's say the ratio is m1 ratio m2. So you all know how to find this x coordinate using section formula. So x is equals to what? M1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by what? M1 plus M2, right? And this is basically x1, y1, and they are called x2, y2, right? So x is equals to what? M1 is this, and so M1 x2, so we have to multiply this M1 into minus 1 plus M2 into what? This number 3, and divided by M1 plus M2. Now solve this. So minus M1 will be there, plus 3 into M2, 3M2, right? And this is M1 plus M2, right? Call this equation number 1, right? Now find the coordinate y coordinate. So again same formula will be there. M1 y2, you can write M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2, right? Y equals to M1 y2, M1 into 6 plus M2, and y1 is this minus 5 here, right? And divided by M1 plus M2. Solve this. So this will be 6M1, and this will be minus 5M2 divided by M1 plus M2, right? So we have find out x and y. Wow, many of you answered, 8:2, I think. Okay, don't think I'm here. Okay, now we have applied the section formula, and we got this format, this, and they both are equal. They both are equal. X and y both are equal. So if they both are equal, can we write so as x equals to y? So can we equate both? So this will be minus m1 plus 3m2 divided by m1 plus m2 will be equal to this, because x and y are 6m1 minus 5m2 divided by m1 plus m2. So this m1 plus m2 will be cancelled. So we are getting, I'm solving here. This is minus m1 plus 3m2 equals to 6m1 minus 5m2. Can we take like terms one side? So I'm taking this m1 this side, and this m2 this side. So 5m2, 3m2, this will be 8m2. I'm writing directly, and this m1 will go in positive form. 6m1 is already there, so adding one more m1 will be 7m1, and we have to find m1 ratio m2. So if I modify this as m1 divided by m2, look, m1 is multiplied with 7, and m2 is multiplied with 8. So if m1, I'm writing this m1 by m2, so we have to write here 8. Then only 8 m2 will be there, because 8 m2. And if 7 is with m1, so we have to write 7 here, and this will be the ratio. On cross multiply it, you will get the same format, 7 m1 8 m2. So 8 ratio 7 is correct answer. No, Sarvesh, unfortunately you are wrong here. Yeah, Hassan, 8 ratio 7, Hassan is answered correct. Sarvesh, we all are of math standard. Aryan, don't worry. So can I move forward to the next question? Should I go towards the next question? Okay, question number 8, introduction to trigonometry. Wow, trigonometry. How is the Josh, my lovely kids, after seeing the term trigonometry? I think trigonometry is your friend. Just give me yes or no answer. The student who are still afraid of the chapter trigonometry, the student who are still feel scared, who are still scared of this chapter trigonometry, just write yes or no. You are scared of trigonometry? Are you still facing challenges in trigonometry? And you guys, if you guys are facing challenges, I'm here to vanish that challenge. Yes, you're Murtaza Sir. Very easy. Superb. Wow, salute your confidence, Aryan. Very good. So yeah, okay, so look at the question here. Excel, I don't know your correct name. Yeah, Excel is writing yes. I know, because sir, this is my favorite chapter. Wow. Muhammad Hassan is writing favorite chapter. Stay blessed, stay sparkling, Hassan. Keep doing rock. Keep studying in this way. Keep your momentum on till your board examination is over. Okay, so look at the question. The question is, if sine theta minus cos theta equals to 0, then we have to find the value of this. And only one information is given to you. Only one. Sine theta minus cos theta equals to 0. So, look here. If sine theta, look my dear kids, if sine theta minus cos theta equals to 0, can I shift this cos theta this side? This is in negative form. So if I shift this cos theta, if I bring this cos theta here this side, so this will be sine theta equals to cos theta. Very simple, right? And just let me know one thing. When the trigonometric functions sine and cos become equal to each other, when, at which angle? If I ask you at which angle they both become equal to each other. Sir, you are great. Thank you, Axel. Stay blessed, my dear. Okay, so when cos theta and sine theta become equal to each other, you all know 45 degree. Wow, 45 degree. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So 45 degree is the only angle at which sine function and cos function both become equal to each other. Superb. So you know theta, and if you know theta, you can directly put here. I'm giving you a very short trick how you can solve this question. So theta will be 45 degree. Can we put? Now we have to find the value of this. Hence, what is this? Sine 4 theta. Sine to power 4 theta plus cos to power 4 theta. Wow, magic. So sine, can we use 45 degree and power will be 4. Here also can we use 45 degree and power will be 4. Sine 45 degree is equals to 1 by root 2 and the power is 4, plus cos 45 is equals to 1 by root 2 and the power is 4. What will be the value? 1 by root 2 to power 4. 1 by root 2 is power 4. See, if any one of you is confused, so 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 will be 1 by 4. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. So this 2 into this 2 will be 1 by 4. So we can write here 1 by 4 and it also will become 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. How we can make the solution easier? If both are same, we can multiply by 2. No need to take LCM and add and all. Why? If they both are same, we can put multiplication of 2 twice. both are same, so 2 will be cancelled. So answer is 1 by 2. Who answered me 1 by 2? Sarvesh and Muhammad Hassan. Superb guys, superb. I hope you all are enjoying the session. You all, are you enjoying the session? Yes. 1 by 2 final. Yeah, correct. I hope you have understood and you all are enjoying this live session. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Yeah, superb. You all are giving me correct answer. Give me thumbs up. I picked up very good question. Aryan is also answered 1 by 2. Very good, Aryan. So yes, you all are enjoying. Jhalak, final answer 1 by 2. Superb guys. Can I move forward to the next question? Should I move ahead? Chapter number 9. Yes. Chapter number 9, application, some applications of trigonometry. Look at the question. See, my dear lovely kids, please make your some application of trigonometry. I'm giving you a few chapters name. Some application of trigonometry, statistics, and mensuration, which is also called surface area and volume. You know, most probably you will get the question from those chapters. Confirm. So please make this chapter stronger. You will get the question. Confirm 100%. Frequently board is asking the questions from this chapter. Some application one is confirmed, one question is confirmed. Statistics, right? So, okay, superb, superb. Wow. Yeah, your thumbs up, your interaction encourages me a lot because I also connected with you all. You guys are very important, very priceless for me. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. Look at the question. The question is, from the top of a 7 meter. Actually, this is meter. This is meter. 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower. You know, I found so many times students become very confused when building and tower terms come in any question. Make sure in any question, building and tower, both the words are coming. Make sure the length of the height of the tower is bigger than building. Okay, so make sure. So there is a building. So in some application of trigonometry, the most important thing is drawing the situation. Drawing the situation. This is very important thing. You have to draw the situation. If you guys are not able to draw the situation, you cannot proceed the solution of this chapter. Yes, you cannot proceed the question, you cannot solve the question of some application of trigonometry. In every question, you have to draw the diagram first after reading the situation carefully. So make sure to read the situation carefully first and draw the situation. Now apply the formula, search the triangle, where is angle of elevation, where is angle of depression. So first what you have to do, you all have to draw the condition, draw the situation first, right? Yes, we have to search out for right angle triangle so that we can apply, trigonometric ratio. Superb, Aryan, very good. Okay, so let's move. From the top of a 7 meter high building. So there is a building. Let me use a red color pen. Okay, there is a 7 meter high building. This is building of 7 meter high, right? Okay, and across the building, beside the building, there is a tower. I don't know the height of the tower, but there is a tower. Right, this is tower here. Okay, now look, this is 7 meter. This is of 7 meter because this is building here, right? Okay, now first information is the angle of elevation of the top, this top, from the top of building, this top, this angle, this angle. This is what, my dear kids? This is of what? This angle, 60 degree. So right here 60 degree. Now go to the next statement, next sentence. The angle of depression of its foot means from the top, this is elevation and this is the foot of the tower, and this will be the angle of depression. And how much is the angle of depression? This is of 30 degree. This is the depression angle. This is 30 degree, right? Okay, and we have to find out the height of the tower. I don't know what is the height of the tower, right? So let's say this is the height, this is the tower here. So I am letting this height as capital H. We have to find this capital H. So how many triangles are there? this triangle 60 degree, and if this is angle of depression 30 degree, so what will be this angle? This angle will become also 30 degree, because this line and this line, both lines are parallel to each other. So by alternate angle, this 30 degree, this is 30 degree, so this will also be 30 degree here. Okay, so now we have drawn the diagram. Now please mark the triangle's name, please label the name. Okay, so I'm calling this point as A, this as B, this as C, this as D, and this as E. Okay, so there are two triangles here. Okay, Abhinav Galeria, Abhinav 30 degree, yeah, what you're saying? Yeah, okay, so look, this is 60 degree top and this is 30 degree here. Okay, so now just look at here. There are two right angle triangles. How many right angle triangles? In which angle are present? This is a right angle triangle and here is 30 degrees, so this will be the right angle triangle. So please apply the trigonometric ratios in both the triangles. So I'm using this space here. In triangle ABC, I'm taking ABC triangle. Now search out, where is ABC? You all can see ABC, and this is 60 degree. And this is BC here. So if I let this as X, so what will be this, my dear kids? This will be also X. Because both lines are straight and these are parallel. These are okay. Wow, few of you are answered. Very good. Just wait a little bit. So in triangle ABC, if I'll take 1060 degree. Why I'm taking 1060 degree? Because I need to find this value. So this is AB, and base, perpendicular by base is BC. 1060 is what? Root 3, you all know. For this chapter especially, you should have 10 values. Please write down these values. Keep it in mind. 1031 by root 3, especially 10 values, 1045 and 1060 root 30. My dear lovely kids, these functions are very important for this chapter. Okay, so root 3. AB is what? AB is, I don't know, AB, keep it as it is, AB. And BC is what? X. So AB cross multiply and this will be X root 3. Call it equation number 1. Now in triangle, which triangle? CDE. There is a 30 degree angle. This is 30 degree here. So I'm taking 1030. So 1030 will be perpendicular, which is CD. And this is what? This is base, DE. 1030 I have already written here. 1030 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, right? CD is what? CD is given, 7. And DE, this is D. Can we take X as X? Now cross multiply here. So this will be X equals to 7 root 3. Right? X equals to 7 root 3. So can I put this? So AB will be, this AB equals to X root 3. So X root 3. So AB will be, X is what? 7 root 3. So 7 root 3 into root 3. So AB equals to 21. 7 root 3 into root 3, 3. So this will be 21 meter. But what we have to find here? The complete height, this height. Yes, and this height H is equals to what? BE AB. AB plus BE. AB plus BE. AB we have already found here. We got, and B is what? BE. This BE is equals to 7. So this is equals to 7. So the complete height will be equals to 28 meter. I hope you have understood it. Wow. Sir, class kitne baje tak chalegi? Only 5 chapters are remaining here. So yes, Honey 28, DE 7 root 3. Honey, no. Whoever answered 20, oh yeah, Hassan is correct. 28 centimeter is correct answer, Hassan. Honey, yeah, Honey is also answered correct. Superb, guys. Wow, are really impressing. Yeah, you all are doing great work. So moving to chapter number 10. Understood? Have you understood the concept? Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Yeah, I'm waiting for your response, guys. I'm waiting for your response. Give me thumbs up, my dear champ. Give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your response. There are still 5 chapters are remaining, very important: statistics, probability, surface areas, and volume. So stay connected. We have to cover 5 more chapters, please. Merin. Thank you. Abhinay Guleria. Yeah, Abhinay, congratulations, you are correct. Honey. Thank you, Abhinay, for giving me heart. Wow. So, okay, moving to next question, chapter number 10, circle. Look at the question. Look, so this question you can solve even without using pen. You might be thinking, without using pen? Yes, my dear champ, you all can solve this question without using pen. You will not require to use pen here. Let me tell you. And you might be saying, so you can solve the question because you are teacher, you have so much of experience. So this question is very easy. Just look. Okay, thank you so much, Abhinay. Okay, look here, in this adjoining figure, TP and TQ are the tangents. See, this is TP. Basically, my dear lovely kids, points are not shown here, so we have to find PTQ. This is P and this is Q here, and this point is basically T. Don't worry, okay? So basically this is the question. Okay, look. So PTQ is theta, right? And TP and TQ both are tangents. You all know if this is center, this O is center, and PT and TP are the tangents. So you all know this is 90 degree. And if I join this center from this point, so this also be the radius, this is point of contact, so this will be also 90 degree. And if this is radius, look how we can solve this question without using pen. Focus here. If I have joined this O from this point Q, so it has become radius, and this is already OP is radius. So basically this triangle is isosceles triangle because radius and radius both are equal. So if there is an isosceles triangle, so the angle will be equal to each other. So it also will be 15 degree because this is radius and this is radius. I hope you have understood it. Right, now look, if this is 15 degree, this is 15 degree, so what will be the sum of these two angles? 15 plus 15, this is 30 degree. So in this triangle, the sum of these two angles are equal to 30 degree. So what will be the remaining one angle? Give me the answer. If the sum of any two angles in any triangle is equals to 30 degree, so what will be the third unknown angle? What will be the third unknown? That will be 150, obviously. So this is 150, right? Now look at the concept. This is a complete quadrilateral. Look, let me use another color. I'm using a blue color. Let me use, okay, yellow color will be there. Okay, this is a complete quadrilateral. Look at the diagram. This is a complete quadrilateral, and here this is 90 degree, and here this is 90 degree. So the sum of two angles are already equal to 180 degree. So what will be the sum of this and this angle? And this angle we have already calculated. What? 150 degree. Because the sum of this angle 15 and 15 is 30 degree. So this will be what? 150 degree. Right? And this is a complete quadrilateral. And you all know in complete quadrilateral the sum of all the angles are equal to 360 degree. And the sum of this 90 and 90 is already 180. So what will be the sum of remaining two angles? They must be equal to 180 degree also. And this is already 150. So this angle will be 30 degree. I hope you have understood it. Right? So this is 30 degree. But we have to find the value of sine 2 theta. Oh my God, what the challenging? There is nothing challenging. If you got the value of this theta, what will be sine 2 theta? Very easy question. Sine 2 theta. You need to put this value 30 here. So sine 2 into theta is what? 30. So this will be sine what? 60 degree. And you all know sine 60 is equals to what? √3/2 answer. Who answered correct? Superb, honey. Abhinay Wahe Guruji, 30 degree. Abhinay 30. Abhinay Guleria 150. Yeah, Abhinay, you answered of this angle. Yeah, obviously the answer is, you answered correct. This is 150. So what will be this? This will be 30. It has to be 30 degree because this figure is complete quadrilateral. And you all know the sum of all angles in any quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. whether the quadrilateral is parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, square, rectangle, whatever is the type of quadrilateral, doesn't matter. The sum of all the angles is equals to what? 360 degree. So I hope this is clear to you. I hope you guys have understood it. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Yeah, I'm waiting. Yes sir, yes sir. Right, yes sir. Krishna Patek, sir, please increase lightning in the background color. I am facing itching in my eyes. Okay, I'll keep it in mind, Krishna. Sorry if you're not feeling comfortable with this color slide. Okay, yeah, I'll keep it in mind next time. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Give me thumbs up. Come on, guys. My lovely champ. Superb, superb. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, buddy. Okay, now moving to chapter number 11, and which is area related to circle. Look at the chapter. Area related to circle. This chapter also required in whatever the question you will get from this chapter, the question will require to draw the diagram. The question will be based on diagram. Once you draw the diagram, means 50% part of the solution you have already done. Yes, the diagram plays very important role in two chapters. First is some application of trigonometry, and the second is area related to circle. In some question, diagram will already given to you, but in some question, diagram will not be there, so you have to draw the diagram also. Okay, so look, so what we have to do here? We have to draw the diagram first. A chord of a circle of radius 14 centimeters sustains an angle of 60 degree at the center. Very good. So let's draw a circle first. How is the circle, guys? How is the circle? Wow, it's look good. You guys use this compass and all to draw the circle. Look at my circle. My diagram is far better than you, everyone. Please use Hindi, sir. Abhinay, sorry, apologies. Actually, this channel is based on fully English. But I think we are studying maths here. So I think you might not be facing any kind of language issue, language barrier, because maths is based on concept and clarity I'm giving you. So I think you will get the point. Don't worry. Stay connected. How is the circle, guys? How is the circle? Is it good? Wow. I'm also amazed here to see the circle, how I drawn the circle. Okay. Look, there is a chord. I don't know where is chord. We can draw anywhere. Let's say this is a chord. This is a chord. You know chord? The line inside a circle is called chord. Diameter is also. Sir, in this, can we use the formula 1/2 r square sine theta? Yeah, we can use, but I'm giving you one more method how we can solve this question. Stay connected. Look at the solution. So there is a chord and of a circle of radius 14 centimeters subtended. Very good. This is center here. I don't know. This is center here. And on joining this center, this chord is making angle 60 degree here. Okay. And I'm calling this center as O. My dear lovely kids, if this chord is making angle 60 degree, and these lines, this line and this line, both are radius. So these angles must be equal to each other. They have to be equal to each other because these lines are radius and this is 60 degree. And what is the remaining angle in that triangle? 120 degree remaining. So we have to divide 120 as 60 into 60. 60 and 60. Why? They must be equal to each other because these two lines are radius. I hope you got the point. Wow, RJ Jhalak. Perfect circle. Thank you, Abhinay. 17.9. Okay, just wait a little while and check your answer is correct or not. So it has to be 60 and it has to be 60. Wow. And it proves that this triangle has become an equilateral triangle. Why I'm writing 16? Because this side is equals to this side. Okay, so this is basically an equilateral triangle. Now look at the question. We have to find the area of the corresponding minor segment, and then also we have to find the area of major segment. Do you know which is minor segment, major segment? You all know. And if some of you might know the segment as well. If you know, very good. This is basically minor segment. I'm using red color. Okay, my dear kids, whoever don't know, whoever is still having confusion in this chapter, for those students I'm drawing, this is basically minor segment, my dear lovely kids. Okay, and let me use another color. Can I use blue color? And this whole, just except this minor segment, the whole portion is major segment. except this minor segment. So let's solve. Yeah, we can use root 3 by 4 square. Honeyworks, yeah, you're asking for, yeah, this is equilateral triangle. So let's solve. So I should use yellow color. I'm calling this as point A and this as point B here. So first we have to find the area of minor segment. How we can find the area of minor segment? Let's see, we have to find this area. What will be the path? How you can reach to the minor segment? The only path is if I subtract the area of equilateral triangle from this whole sector, then only we can reach to the minor segment. And this is the concept. You have to search out the path. What should be the path? How we can reach to the minor segment? And the path is you have to subtract the area of triangle from the area of minor sector. So sorry, why I'm moving to the previous slide. Okay, so let me erase this. I need more space here. Okay, so area of minor segment will be what? Area of minor sector minus area of equilateral triangle. I hope you got the point. And the area of minor sector is what? Theta by 360 what? Pi r square minus, this is sector, no, this is whole sector, right? And this is a triangle, so root 3 by 4 what? Side square, and side is what? This is radius, and this is equals to what? 14 centimeter. So this will be 14 whole square, root 3 by 4 a square. Now put angle center, that this angle is 60 degrees, so it has to be 60 by 360. Keep pi as it is, and radius is 14 square minus, this is root 3 by 4, and this is 14 square will be 196. So this will be 006. So this will be what? So can I write here 14 square will be 196 again by 6 pi minus, can we cancel here 4, and this will be 9, I think 4 4 just 16, 3, yeah. So this is 49 root 3. Now this can be also cancelled, 3 2 just 6 and 98 2 just 196. I hope you got the point, right? So this will be 98 pi by 3 minus 49 root 3. Yeah, this question is involved with calculation here. We cannot run away from this. So 98 by 3 into, this is pi here. So this pi can be written as 3.14 minus 49, and root 3 is 1.732. Right, now solve this. Solve and find the result. Solve this. This calculation you have to do. Do it fast, my dear lovely kids. I'm waiting for your response. Do it fast. Superb. Solve this. Yeah. So on solving this, please check your in your copy. You all can do this calculation. So on solving this, I'm waiting. I'm looking at your chat section who is doing correct root. Some of you are already given answer 17.9. Yeah, almost, you're correct. So on solving this, you will get 17.9. But solve this by your own, guys, please. And approximately it can be written as 18 centimeter square. Right? How you can solve this? Divide this 98 by 3. So on dividing 98 by 3, we will get this, right? So 32.6 here, almost, right? So 32.6 into, this is 3.14 minus, this is 49 into 1.73. Now basic calculation is here. You all can do this calculation. Abhinay Guleria, you are best, sir. Thank you, Abhinay. Thank you for your kind appreciation. Stay connected with us here, Abhinay. We all teachers are fully committed to your board exam. Okay, superb. I hope. So first, you have to find the path, how we can reach to that particular portion, that we have to find the area. So the area of minor segment can be written as area of minor sector minus area of equilateral. This, okay. Now we have to find the area of major segment. So I hope you have understood the first part. Can I erase it? I understand easily everything. Thank you, Abhinay. Thank you. Stay blazed. Okay. Now move to the second part of this question. We have to find the area of major segment also. So let me show you which part is called major segment. Look, except this portion, except minor sector, the remaining whole part is major segment. Keep it in mind, except minor segment means except this, the whole part. Look at the shaded part, the whole part. This whole part is called major segment, sorry. This whole part is called major segment. The red color is minor segment and the blue color is major segment. And who is making these segments? Who is making these segments? This code is making these two segments, because this code is dividing the circle in two parts. Right? I hope you got the point. Is this formula approval for board? Yeah, yes. Basically this formula is beyond 10th class. This is, this formula comes in your upper class yeah. But you can directly apply root 3 by 4a square. Everything is valid, yeah. Theta angle is more than 90 degree. Yeah, you can apply, but better is to follow this formula. I hope you understood. Okay, so I hope you can get the concept here. This blue portion is called major segment. So how we can find the area of major segment? If we can subtract the minor segment's area from this complete circle. Let me show you from the complete circle, and this is the area of minor segment. Let me delete the what happened here? So basically this is the circle and this is the minor segment. We have already calculated the area, right? And we have to find out the area of this portion. So area of major segment, we can write here what? Area of complete circle minus area of minor segment. Wow, I hope you get the point. Superb. Hassan is answered 4.7. Let's check Hassan. So area of complete circle is what? Pi r square minus area of minor segment. We have just calculated it now few seconds ago, yeah, and this is equals to almost 18. 17.9 is almost equal to 18. Now put, this is pi is equals to what? 3.14, and this is what? Radius, and radius is already given to you, which is equals to 14. So 14 square minus 18. So what will be the result? 3.14. 14 square will be 196 minus 18. Now multiply this, and you have to subtract 18 from this result. Please do it fast. Let me know what will be the answer. What will be the answer? Just show me. Give me answer. Calculate it fast. I want to see who is answering fast, who can answer me fast of this result. What will be the answer of this? I want to see who can answer fast. Just show me your accuracy, your speed here. Come on. I'm not going to solve it anymore. I want to check who can solve this. Come on guys, you all can do. Don't use calculator, don't use any device, right? Just do it by your pen and copy. Oh. Wow, the first answer given by Jalak. I hope Jalak you just calculated using pen or copy. Don't use any device. My dear lovely kids, be honest. Honesty is the best policy, right? So yeah, superb. This is the correct answer. 597 point almost. Yeah, you can write almost 7 is there. You can directly write 5.4 7 is there, I think. 7 meters square. But don't worry, after decimal doesn't matter. So let's move to the next question. Can I move ahead to the next question? I hope you get the point. Chapter number 12, surface area and volume. Wow, this chapter is also called mensuration. Look at the question, guys. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter, draw the diagram. Yeah, I'm waiting for your response, guys. Are you enjoying the session? They give me thumbs up. I'm just continuously looking your chat section. You are enjoying the session. You guys are enjoying the session. My dear lovely children, you all are enjoying the math session. Look at the question. This question basically carry very important concept, and such question, you know, frequently asked in board exam. That's why I picked this question here for you. So look at the solution. How I'm solving the question. Please, you most probably this question you will get in your pre-board exam, the upcoming exam in your school. Okay, so give me thumbs up. You guys are enjoying. Shailendra, very good. Shailendra, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu. Superb. Hassan, thank you, Hassan. Very good. Let's do this question. So look, so in this question you have to draw the diagram first. So look, the question is saying from a solid cylinder, there is a cylinder, solid in shape. So the cylinder might be of wooden cylinder or solid iron cylinder, whatever. Marine is giving me, what is this? I cannot. Okay, Shailendra. Okay, from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. So there is a cylinder. Wow, my drawing is improving day by day. Look at the cylinder. Can you draw the diagram like this? How is the cylinder, guys? How is the cylinder? How it looks? Okay. Now the height is 2.4 centimeter. Superb. This is 2.4 centimeter, right? And diameter is 1.4 centimeter. This is 1.4 centimeter. So whatever the informations are given here, I'm marking all those information. Now go. A conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Means there is a solid cylinder and a conical cavity is scooped out. Means a cone is scooped out. You know scooping? When you ask ice cream wala in any marriage event and on, so ice cream, you know, ice cream wala scoop the ice cream and there is shape left at the, you know, upper portion of ice cream in the shape of hemisphere over there. So scooping means when you are cutting out some part, some portion of solid body, there will be, you know, curved shape, or there will be as it is shape remain there of that cavity, whatever the shape you're taking out, right? So look, so a conical cavity is hollowed out. So let me draw the diagram neat and clean for you so that the visibility can increase. So we are cutting a cone here in this form. I have scooped this cone. So my dear lovely kids, if you are cutting this cone from this diagram, so what will be the remaining figure? How the remaining figure look like? Look, the remaining figure will be this. Let me draw the diagram using yellow color. This will be the remaining portion. The observation of diagram should be very strong, clear. Then only you can solve such question when some part is scooped out. This will be the diagram, final diagram after scooping the cone. Very good. R is equal to, yeah guys, R is, of course, if diameter is 1.4, so the R will be 0.7. Now look, question is saying find out the total surface area. How we can find the total surface area? So the total surface area will be, the answer is, oh wow, you guys answered also. So the total surface area, TSA of cylinder, make sure I'm writing this statement after scooping the cone. So what kind of portion, which portion will be left over there? So look, after scooping the cylinder, the curved surface area of cylinder will be there. Curved CSA of cylinder plus what? There will be conical shape inside the cylinder after scooping out. So curved surface area of cone, and one more thing will be there, the circular base, because there is no impact of scooping on circular base. Circular base will be there. Circular base of the cylinder will be there because the cone is scooped from the top. Whether you are scooping from top or bottom, there will be one circular base. So we can write here circular base of cylinder. I hope you have understood it. I hope you have understood it. Okay, so CSA of cylinder is what? This is 2 pi RH, you all know. Curved surface area of cylinder. And CSA of cone is what? Pi RL. L is this is called L, slant height, and we don't know L, but we have this right angle triangle, so we can find out the L here. Look, this is a right angle triangle, right, and this is 2.4 centimeter, and this will be radius half of 1.4, so this will be 0.7 centimeter. So how we can find this? The L will be, every formula I have mentioned in that formula sheet, go and hit the download link, follow the Deeksha Vedantu WhatsApp channel, you can get the formula sheet, and that will be game changer for you. So L will be what? 2.4 whole square plus 0.7 whole square. So 2.4 whole square will be 5. Sorry, I'm writing 5.25. This will be 5.76, right? 5.76 plus 0.7 whole square, and this will be 0.49. On adding this, we are getting here 6.25. Under root of 6.25 will be what? 0.25 centimeter. So this is slant height. Very good. L is 2.5. Yeah, obviously this is 6.25. Yeah, of course. So this will be 2.5. Super. Very good. 2.5 into 2.5 is basically will be 6.25. Very good. So now, and this is circular base, and this is equals to what? Pi r square. Is it clear why I'm taking circular base? Because after scooping the cone, there will be circular base. Okay. Now, can we take pi r common? Pi r. So 2h will be here. 2h plus L and plus one more r. Now pi and r is what? 0.7. Now 2h. 2 into h is what? 2.4. Plus L is what? We have just calculated 2.5. Plus r is what? 0.4. Now keep pi as it is. We can put the value of pi at the end. So 4.8 will be there. Plus 2.45 plus 0.4. Now pi into, yes, can we add these? This is, what will be this here? Look, this is 8, this is 4, and this is r. Oh, this is 0.7. I'm thinking here. Okay, so 8, 5, 13, 17, 0, 20, 0. Wow. 2 to 4 and 6 here will be, look, this is 8, 8, 5, 13, 13, 7, 20, 0, carry 2, 2, 2, 4 and 4, 8 here. Superb. Now we can write here, this is pi, this is 0.7. So this will be 5.6 pi. 8 into 0.7 will be 5.6. Now we can put 5.6 into 3.14. Please do it and give me the result. Give me the result. 5.6 into 3.4. What will be the answer? 5.6 into, give me result. Fast, my dear kids, fast. What will be the answer? Come on, you all can do. I want to check who answer fast. I want to check who is the one whose calculation is very quick. I want to check. I want to see the name of that student. I hope you have understood. So basic calculation is here. So 3.14, ignore point here, and this is 5.6. So this will be 24, 4, right? And this will be 18, 5, 0, 2, 7, and this is 15. Now 4, 8, 15, 7, 1. And 2 digit, 1 digit, 1, 2, 3, 17.5. You guys are taking so much of time. Parth, you are late, my champ. Very good. No, RJ Jalak was 22.5. I think you should do again calculation. You might made some mistake. Naveen is answered correct. 17.58 for superb, guys. And we have just found area, so we have to put a square here. Superb. I really impressed. Salute, my champ. Huge love for you. How sweet of you. Now, I hope you have understood the concept why I am taking the circular base of cylinder, because after scooping the conical shape there will be one circular remained. Superb. So you are enjoying the session. Give me thumbs up. Loving thumbs up. Superb. Give me loving thumbs up. I'm waiting. Give me thumbs up so that I can move forward to the next chapter number 13 and 14. Two chapters are still left, statistics and probability. Send me thumbs up. Give me confirmation you guys are enjoying. You guys are really enjoying the session, and this session will be very beneficial for you, very fruitful. You all are getting huge advantage here. So stay connected with the channel, keep following us, and go to the WhatsApp channel. I have already created the formula sheet complete package for you that is free of cost. You need to follow the channel. Go and hit the download link even in the description of my previous video. Follow the channel, share the channel with your friend as well. Will you share? Superb. And I'm very much I'm having positive intensity for you all. You all guys deserve good result in your exam, and you all can do wonder. So keep following us. Keep coming. Sir, I cannot find the channel. Go and WhatsApp, write Deeksha Vedantu, or you can also go to video section of this channel. My recent video that is uploaded over there. You can hit the download link. Download link is already given there. Muhammad Hassan, thank you. Hassan, Marine, thank you. I hope you guys are. Few of you might be new here, and you are not subscribed the channel yet. So I'm hoping whoever is the new student here, just go and subscribe the button first. Hit the subscribe button and share with your friend, and keep coming here. I'll be waiting for you, because you all are very lovely. No, now you can go. I found cassette. Cassette is not there. By mistake, cassette was linked over there, connected, but we have rectified that. You can get the Deeksha Vedantu class 10 channel. Go and follow the channel. My name, please. Are Bhavi Pawar. Yeah, your name is too cute name, yeah. Bhavi. Just solve. Should I move forward to the next question? You guys are enjoying the live session. Just let me know. Bhavya or Bhavi? Happy? Give me thumbs up if you're happy. Okay. So now look at this question. This question is from chapter number 13, and this question is asked in previous year by CBSE. So this is basically PYQ. Okay. So look at the question. If the mode of the following frequency distribution is 55, then find the value of x. Do it fast. So in this question, mode is already given to you, and a class distribution table is already given. So two informations are provided to you. One, mode is given to you, and class distribution table is here, and you have to find the value of x. So if mode is given here, so we have to use the formula of mode. Simple. And you should know the formula. Chaurasia edit. Hello sir. Hi. Naveen. Yeah. I'm moving to the next question. This is the next question, Naveen. Hello sir. Hi Chaurasia. Hi. How are you, champ? You're late? Okay. So look, you know the formula to calculate the mode. If you don't know the formula, please go to my sheet, formula sheet. I'm repeating again and again. Please download that formula sheet. I have created the sheet for you specially, and that is free of cost, no charge. You have to pay nothing for that. Go and follow the WhatsApp channel, or you can go in my previous video, the most recent uploaded video on YouTube channel. You can get the download link over there. Okay. So look, mode is given here. So you know mode, the formula of mode is what? Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. I hope you all know this formula. This is the formula. And let me show you. Should I write the formula? CF is required for solving. No. CF is not required, Hassan. Sorry. We are not calculating median here. To calculate the median, generally we require CF. cumulative frequency less than or more than. This is mode, so we don't require CF here. Okay, now look, the mode is given. You know mode, what is called mode? The most frequent value. So if the mode is already 55, so 55 might lie in this table here. The 55 might be here in this table, because 55, this is 45 to 60. So 55 comes, you know, yellow not visible. Sir, our best sir, follow from many days. Bhavi, thank you, Bhavi, thank you. How sweet of you. Thank you for this line. Okay, yellow is not visible, guys. Okay, let me change the color. Okay. Now, okay, red color is okay to you, everyone? Red is okay, just let me know. Red is okay to you? My dear champion. Okay, so mode is 55, and mode is what? The highest value. So if mode is 55, means 55 might lie here, might not might. Confirm 55 will be there, because this is 45 to 60. So this will be your model class. This is called model class. This class is called model class. The class at which, the class where mode present, called model class. This is model class. Model class. Okay, this is called, yes, yeah, red color will be visible to you. Okay, this is called model class. And the frequency of model class is called F1. Please keep it in mind. The class where mode comes is called model class, and the highest frequency is also seems 15. I don't know what will be X, but this is highest 15. How are you, sir? Gurleen Kaur, how are you? Fine, Gurleen. What about you? Are you okay? Happy, fit, fine, shining, sparkling? Welcome to Deeksha channel. And look at this question. If the mode is 55, so 55 might be in this table. Not might be. Confirm 55 will be there, because this is 45 to 60. So this will be the model class. And the frequency of this class is called F1. This will be F1. And what comes before 1? What comes before 1? Yes, 0 comes. So this is called F0. F0 you can say here. And this will be F2. I hope you get the point. The frequency of model class is called F1, and the frequency of preceding model class is called F0, F0, and the frequency of succeeding model class is called F2. So we have F0, F1, F2. Now we can solve. Okay, so the formula of mode is, look at the formula, please, my dear lovely kids, please memorize the formula. If you don't have formula, you cannot solve. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now let me show you what is L here. L is the lower limit of model class. This is L here. L. What is H here? H is called class size. What is the difference between these values? 15. So H is 15. So I can write here. Let me write everything. F1 is 15. F0 is X. We have to find this value, X. I don't know what is X. F2 is what? 10. L is what? Lower limit of model class. And H is what? Class width, class size. And class size is what? The difference between 30 and 45 will be 15. I hope you got the point. Yes. Now put these values here. We have formula, we have values. The rest thing is mathematical calculation. You have formula, you have values. Now you can do, right? So L is what? L is 45. Keep it here. 45 plus F1 is what? 15 minus F0 is what? X. 2F1, 2 into 15 minus F0 is what? Again X minus F2 is what? 10 here, right? Into H. H is what? 15 here, right? Mode is already given. Mode is already given 55. We can put here 55 and we can shift this 45 this side. So this will be in negative form, right? So we are getting 15 minus X upon 15 to 13 minus X minus 10 into my 15. Now look at the solution. 55 minus 45 will be, this is 55, this is 45. This will be 10. And what is this? This is 15 minus X divided by 30. This is 30 minus 10 will be 20. So I can directly write here 20. I hope you are getting the point. This is 20 minus, this is X here. And this 15 is here. So can we shift this 15 here? Because this is in multiplication from here on bringing 15. This will be Not valid answer. Just wait, I'm doing here. So we can cancel 2, 5 and 3, 5. Can we multiply, cross multiply? 2, 4, 40 minus 2x will be equal to 3, 45 minus 3x. Now can we shift 3x this side? So minus 2x plus 3x, and on shifting this 45 minus 40 will be there. So minus 2x plus 3x will be only x, and 45 minus 40 will be only 5. This is the value. I hope you heard. Sir, not correct answer for this question. This is the correct answer, my dear Bhavya. So I hope you have understood it. This is the way how we can solve. So first, to calculate the mode or to use the formula of mode, you have to find the model class. And what is called model class? The class in which mode comes up, the class in which mode present. So I hope you got this. Sir, I solved, sir, before you. Congratulations. Every teacher wants that their student can solve the question before the teacher. Yeah, all the very best. Final answer is yeah, of course. Moving to question number 14. Yes, moving to question number 14, 3 coins tossed together, the probability. So you know, when 3 coins are tossed, the possible outcomes are these: head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, right? The 8 outcomes in the gapping of 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now write outcomes in the gapping of 2, head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail. Now write the combination with 4, head, 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 tail, tail, tail. So these are the possible outcomes when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, right? So I have written first line with the gapping of 1, second line with the gapping of 2, and the third line with the gapping of 4. So these are the possible outcomes which can occur when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Now look at the first question. We have to find, when 3 coins are tossed, we have to find exactly 2 heads. So exactly 2 heads, how many? 1, 2, 3, only 3 position. And how total number of terms? 8. So 3 by 8 is the answer. First answer. Now second answer. Ajay Gupta, hi, good evening, sir. Very good evening, Ajay. How are you? Where were you? Now second question is, I hope you have understood. Second question, at least 2 head. At least 2 head means 3 heads will also be counted. At least 2 head. So 3 head. This will be counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 head will not be counted because the question is saying at least 2 head. So 3 will be counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 4 by 8, which will be equal to 1 by 2. Answer. Next question. At least 1 head and 1 tail. At least 1 head and 1 tail means at least 1 head and 1 tail. So at least 1 head, 1 tail. This will be counted. Here is no tail, so we cannot count this. This will be counted. 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 This will not be counted because here is not head. Only tail is there. We have to take at least 1 head, at least 1 tail. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 8. So we can cancel. So answer is 3 by 4. I hope you have get the point. You got the point. You have enjoyed. So this is the solution. The most important thing is, are you able to write this or not? So I'm giving you a short trick. First line, write the first line with 1 gapping. HT, HT, HT. And write 8 because the coins go in this form, 2 to power n. And if you're tossing 3 coins, so 2 to power 3 will be 8. 8 possible outcomes will be there. So you should have that. So write first line at 1 gapping, second line at 2 gapping, and third line at 4 gapping. So these are the possible outcomes can come when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. I hope you got the point. Give me thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching the session, and this is for you. Lost time is never found again. Yes, the time which passed, which has gone, will never return back. Very important quote said by Benjamin Franklin. So study hard, champions. Yeah, this is for you guys, and stay consistent, stay focused, determined, and you all can do wonder. You all deserve it. Stay connected with the channel because all teachers are putting their complete effort. They are tirelessly working. They are working dedicatedly for you, for your betterment, for your good result in your board exam. So we are completely dedicated. Thank you, Marine. Thank you, Parth. Thank you so much, my lovely children, for joining this session and to make this session very loving, fun-filled and alluring. Thank you so much, and stay blazed, stay shining, stay sparkling, and please come in next live session also. Right? Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected and take care. Bye bye everyone.